Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amara. Here we share everything hair growth, DIY videos, everything related to hair. So if it's something you like, please do well to subscribe to be a member of the family. So today I bring you the results of our 14 days clove and rosemary challenge. Drum roll. So I'm going to be showing you guys the results we got from our 14 days clove and rosemary challenge. But before I do that, let me show you guys what my day 6 looks like. May your steadfast love comfort me according to your promise to your servant. Psalm 119 verse 76. So if you're curious about the results, please do well to keep watching. Welcome to day 6 of our challenge. So this is exactly what we did from day 1 to day 6. First, let me show you what my hair looks like in day 6. So starting from the front, as you can see, I can lift my hair up. I have grown out a lot of hair. Is that even possible? Is it possible to grow out this much just under 2 weeks? Yeah, for those who haven't watched the previous video, what we did was that we did a clove and rosemary challenge for 2 weeks, but inside that 2 weeks we only used it 6 days. That means 3 times every week, in total of 6 days. That is what we did, and this is the 6th day. So what I'm doing right now is showing you guys what my hair looks like before I moisturize for the last day. I didn't wash my hair in the period of 2 weeks that we've been using this. I haven't washed my hair. After applying the water, I just put my hair in a bonnet, and that is it. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how we did it, step by step process of how we use this clove and rosemary water to achieve what you're seeing right now, because this is the last day and you can obviously see that we have grown out our hair massively based on what the hair looks like the first day and what it looks like now. Even the blind can see that we have grown out some length. This is pretty simple. After prepping our clove and rosemary water, you all already know how to prep your clove and rosemary water, but in case if you don't know, let me just give you a brief explanation of how we did it. For me, I blended my clove and rosemary and then put it into a jar and added water, allow it to sit for 24 hours, strain it, and then this is the water. You can always put your clove and rosemary water into hot water just like that without grinding it, but I prefer to blend it because it tends to infuse everything. You get to get all the nutrients from the clove and rosemary, which is what I did. So after that, you go ahead to apply it into your hair, focusing on the root. I only use the water on my ends for the first 3 days, but after that I noticed that my ends were a little bit dry, so I stopped it. Rather, I just use a leave-in conditioner for it and focus the clove and rosemary water on my scalp because that is where the hair grows out from. And that is what I'm doing now. I am just applying my clove and rosemary water and massaging it into the scalp. It is very important that you massage it into your scalp very well so it will penetrate into your scalp and help you grow out the hair, which is what I'm doing right now. Rosemary has been one of my favorite herbs for hair growth. That is why I chose to incorporate it with clove for this challenge. Rosemary can improve your blood circulation on your scalp, hence making your hair grow out even faster. It helps with dandruff. It fights dandruff. If you're suffering from dandruff, use rosemary water and your dandruff will be taken care of. It also enhances hair growth. Like, rosemary is scientifically proven that
it will grow out your hair. It fights scalp inflammation, scalp infection, it reduces breakage, it balances your scalp pH, it strengthens your hair. Rosemary can do a lot for your hair if only you can be patient and be consistent with the routine. It has shown to grow out your hair massively thick and longer. After applying and of course massaging the herbs into my hair, I went in with a leave-in conditioner. It is important that you do not skip a leave-in conditioner after this application. The reason is that clove is drying to the hair. It dries off your hair. That is the side effect of using cloves. So it is important that you don't skip a leave-in conditioner because you don't want this recipe to break off your hair. That is why I use a leave-in conditioner followed by a butter to seal it in. You have to trap in all the moisture you just put into your hair. If not, it is just going to dry off and you will not get any result from it. That is why I went in with a butter to seal everything in. So this is me just trying to explain what we did in this challenge, starting from the first day to the sixth day. So that is pretty much it.
So this is the moment of truth. Let me show you guys the results we got from our 14 days challenge. So now I'm going to insert the picture of what the hair looks like the first day. I'm going to either here or here, I don't know, but just look out for it. I'm going to insert the picture while I show you the results we got. So this is our hair. I'm going to do a 360. I'm going to show you everything what it looks like, but let me raise up the camera so you guys can properly see it. After showing you guys, I'm going to take out one and show you guys the growth I got, because before we started I took I took out a braid and then I measured it wearing this same shirt. So I'm still going to do the same thing after I've shown you guys what it looks like. Then I'm going to take it out and now I'm also going to insert the pictures side by side so we know whether we actually grew out some length. So let's do that. So this is it. Take a closer look. I can lift my hair up, like I can lift it up. You can see. Can you guys see? Just take a look at it. I can really lift up my hair. And it's just 2 weeks. Just take a look. Take a look at this. Let me turn the back. So that is what the hair looks like now. Let me take out one braid to show you exactly the amount we have grown out. So I'm going to take out this, only this one, and I'm going to insert pictures side by side. Let's take out this side and see. Oh, my hair is so dirty. Like very, very dirty. I need to take out my hair completely, but not today. I need to take it out and then properly wash my hair before I get another cornrow. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just taking out just one so we can measure it. Oh my god. Can you see? Just take a look how dirty my hair is. Can you guys see this? My hair is so dirty. Just take a look. Oh my god. Can you guys see? Just take a look. This is from the herbs and all that we use on our hair. See? Can you guys see? My hair is so dirty. That's why I need to wash the hair. I'm going to take down my hair ASAP. But let's do let's measure out the hair first. Let me finger the tangle a little bit before we go ahead and measure. So now I think I need to position my camera well so you'll be able to see the length of my hair. Let me do that now. So I think I need to stand up. Let me try standing up and do it. So let me measure. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, let me take out this shed hair. This obviously shed hair. So let's measure. I'm going to start the picture, the yes, the picture of our before so you guys can see for yourself. Let me think. Okay. So let's measure that again. I think it was the reason why I decided to use this shirt is because this is the shirt I wore the day I measured it. So I'm using this. So I think shirt hair. I think it was somewhere here the day I measured it. You guys can obviously see from the picture that I will leave here now. See, so you guys be the judge. What do you think? Do you think we actually grow out some length? What do you guys think? I haven't even detangled the hair. So what do you guys think? So do you think we actually got some length? Because for me, I think yeah, we grew out some length. For me, I think we grew out some length. Maybe not too much, but at least we made progress. So So you guys can see that we have actually grown out our hair just under 2 weeks. Who says that herbs does not work? Herbs obviously works. Herbs helps you to grow out your hair even faster. So we'll be having more challenges like this so we can grow out our hair 6 inches in 2025. If you like to join our next challenge, please do well to subscribe, so be a member of the family, so when next time we'll start the challenge you will know, so you'll be able to join us. I think we have come to the end of this video. Do have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Mwah.